Hi, today we are going to show you this new bird. So this new bird, I think I bought this pretty much a long time ago. But anyway, this is a cool bird. I tried it out before, and let's get going. Oops, sounds like it's working. Now it can copy you a lot, and it's pretty annoying because if it copies you too much, that means you will get pretty annoyed. So yes, but if the blue ones are too beautiful, you buy them. If the pink ones are too beautiful, then you buy those ones. Alright, let's have a go of a copy. Hello, Mr. Birdie. And I know it's a different voice compared to me, which is and I got another bird that was in a cage, and this one actually. Alright, let's turn this one off. And this one's actually spins its head when it talks. Let's turn on this one now. Hey, what's the button there? Let's turn this one on. Oh, it's not working, huh? This one must be pretty old. What the? Now, I turned this on. This was pretty much the same. Now, this is pretty much the... See, it actually spins its head. Now, let's copy. Hello, Mr. Birdie. Wait, now, this isn't copying really much. Hello. Oh, this is really old. I just bought this. I probably got it for Christmas, maybe. Oh, let's have a go at this bird. Now, this is pretty much new, so you don't even have to fix this once. Now, Hello. Now see, that it's a really cute bird, but even though this one doesn't work, so you might not want to buy this one. And this is really cute, so you might I think this is like, no, that's not a button. And I like how it's sparkling too. Oh, and I also got one more under my chair too. I forgot about that. Wait, what? Oh, this is more older. It's phased even. Hello. 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 Oh, that one doesn't work either, I think. Oh, there. Hello. See, they're really cute, except this one because that one's not working. So you might want to buy the blue one more because that one, or the pink one if you like that one, because that one doesn't. I think that one just came out in the olden days, I think. Now, if you like this video, click the subscribe button. If you don't click it. Bye.